Today I am going to explain the problems based on directions. The first question is Raju walks 20 meter north. First draw the basic directions north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. The question is Raju walks 20 meter north. Raju walks 20 meter north. At the point is A. He walks 20 meter north up to B. 20 meter north. Then he turns right and walks 30 meter. Turns right and walks 30 meter. From B, he turns right. Right of B is this direction and walks 30 meter. 30 meter up to C. Then he turns right and walks 35 meter. From C, he walks downwards up to 35 meter. 35 meter up to D. Then he turns left and walks 15 meter. From D, he turns left of D is this side and walks 15 meter. 15 meter up to E. Then he again turns left and walks 15 meter. Again he turns left from E and walks 15 meter. 15 meter up to F. The question is in which direction and how many meters away is he from his original position? You have to find out the distance between the initial point and final point and the direction. So the initial point B, F, from initial point to final point. Let this point be G. Then AF is equal to find the distance. AF is equal to AG plus GF. AG we know that AG is equal to BC, that is 30. AG is equal to 30 plus GF is equal to DE, that is 15. That is equal to 45 meter. 45 meter is the distance from his original position A to final position F. And the direction is here the final position it lies to the east of A. East of A. So the direction is east. The option D is correct. 45 meter east. Next question is north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. The question is X and Y start moving towards each other from two places 200 meter apart 200 meter apart. This is the 2 points P and Q. X starts from this point P and Y starts from this point Q. And this is 200 meter apart. After walking 60 meter, Y turns left. After walking 60 meter, assume up to 60 meter, Y turns left. After walking 60 meter, Y turns left and goes 20 meter. Y turns left and goes 20 meter. Let this point be A and he goes 20 meter up to B. Then he turns right and goes 40 meter. And from B he turns right and goes 40 meter up to C. He then turns right again. And comes back to the road on which he had started walking. From C, he turns right again and go back to road and he started walking. From C, he goes northwards up to D. If X and Y walk with the same speed, what is the distance between them now? Start move towards each other from two places. Let the point be P and Q. It is 200 meter apart, and after walking 60 meter, Y turns left and goes 20 meter. Let the point be A, and from A he turns to left towards B up to 20 meter, and then he turns right and goes 40 meter up to C, and from C he turns right again and comes back to the road at the point D. We have to find out the distance between X and Y. We know that AD is equal to BC, that is equal to 40 meter. So QD is equal to 60 plus 40 is equal to 100 meter. 60 plus 20 plus 40 plus 20, this is also 20, is equal to 140. Therefore the distance between X and Y is AD. AD is equal to 100 minus 60 is equal to 40 meter. So the option C is right, 40 meter. Third question, north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. If A is to the south of B, A is to the south of B, A is to the south of B, and C is to the east of B, C is to the east of B, C is to the east of B. In what direction is A with respect to C? What direction is A with respect to C? This direction we have to find out. Clearly, you know that A will be the southwest of C. Southwest of C. Southwest of C. So the answer option D is southwest is the right answer. Fourth question. North, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. There are four towns P, Q, R, and T. Q is to the southwest of P. Q is to the southwest of P. Southwest of P. Q is to the southwest of P. R is to the east of Q. R is to the east of Q. East of Q. And southeast of P. And southeast of P. Southeast of P. This direction. Southeast of P. And T is to the north of R. T is to the north of R. North of T is to the north of R. North of R. In line with the QP. In line with the QP. So we have to extend this line. This is T. P. In which direction of P is T located? In which direction of P is T located? T lies to the northeast of P. Northeast of P. T northeast of P. So the answer C is right. Northeast of P. Fifth question. North, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. P, Q, P, Q, R and S are playing a game of carom. Playing a game of carom. PR and SQ are partners. PR and SQ are partners. PR and SQ are partners. And partners are sitting opposite sides. Partners are sitting opposite sides. Okay, partners are sitting opposite sides. And SC is to the right of R. SC is to the right of R, who is facing west. Who is facing west. SC is to the right of R. SC is to the right of R and R is facing west. R is facing this direction and S is to the right of R. R means S is facing southwards. Yes, P, Q. R faces towards west and S is to the right of R. So S is facing towards south. So Q is the partner of S and Q will face towards north. Q will face towards north. So the option A is north is the correct answer.